Good morning. I would like to talk about digital communication, assignment 2, power of many. We were told to read an article and then express our opinion and what we have learned from the article. It was a commentary paper with title Why People Use Social Media and the Uses and Gratification Approach. Um, First of all, what I've learned about it is that both writers begin with that social media is helpful for the marketers because they do advertise a lot. But even though not many knowledge is shown how and why the consumers use the social media platforms. Furthermore, the article provides a definition of the social media and why the uses and gratification theory is close to the social media. This is due to the main purpose of the use and gratification theory that people are looking for competitors among the social media. Also, the article discusses some of the uses and gratification framework which happen to have common theme, and those could be seen on the next slide. The first one is the social interaction, meaning that how social media helps to communicate and interact with each other. The second one is information seeking, meaning that how social media helps to seek information that people are interested in. Also, it could be referred to self-education. Many people use the information online so they can self-educate. Also, the third one is pastime, meaning that this refers to how social media could help you with situations when there is nothing else to do. Entertainment. This refers to how social media provides any kind of entertainment. The article points out the term escapism, meaning something fun and pleasurable. The fifth one, relaxation, refers to how social media helps to forget about daily issues that may cause anxiety. The sixth one is the communicatory utility, is how social media could be used to find and share information with others. This is helpful for facilitating any kind of communication. The seventh one is how social media is useful and helpful for the people in general. An example could be the online shopping. Many people do that. Then we continue with the research and methods part in the article. Um, there was written that it was a study conducted in order to find which social media people use, why their friends use it, what do they like about it, and what they don't. Eventually, this led to results. They were categorized in groups. The authors concluded on 10 uses of gratification themes. And the first one is the social interaction, meaning that different social platforms are a place to socialize and interact with people. Also, it could be a way to communicate with different friends and loved ones. The second one is information seeking. Again, how social media helps finding information that could be related to products, events, sales, or business information even. Many businessmen are looking for daily information up to date on internet. The third one is pastime, and this is for how social media could be used to spare time when nothing else to do. The fourth one is entertainment. This refers to using social media that could be fun. You can play video games, watch fun videos, or reading interesting articles, and go through different events that could go. Then the fifth one is the relaxation theme that could be used and referred to social media that could help you for relaxation purposes. It helps to forget about daily issues and problems. Then we have the sixth one, expressing of opinions. This refers to that everyone could say what they think, like or dislike, but just comment or share on these different social media platforms. Um, but yes, and of course, what is interesting and important that was stated in the article was that many can express opinions anonymously, and more in more cases they do criticize, but they don't want the name to be shown. The seventh one is communicatory utility. This applies to that social media gives opportunity to talk with others about common interests on the internet, and even find people that they do share the same interests. The eighth one is convenience utility. That is about how it is about the fact that social media could be used everywhere at any time, meaning that there is internet everywhere. You can just take your laptop, your phone, and then work through what you're interested in. Then we have the ninth one, that is information sharing. That is not closely related to information seeking. The information sharing applies to the information on the internet that could be easily shared with others. The social media platforms are interactive and allow the consumers to share information via a two-way dialogue. The tenth one is surveillance and knowledge about others. This means that it's easy to track people online. There could be found a lot of reasons for that. Political issues could be one of the many. Then I was asked to say what is my opinion of the article. Um, I find the article very relevant and up to date, mainly because I could relate to that. I do use social media mainly for informing myself on different issues and communication. It allows you to freely express your opinion and to see if many or not that many people agree or disagree with you. Nevertheless, I do agree that social media could help you relax and escape reality. Furthermore, I would like to apply my knowledge to a brand that I choose myself. I choose the Disney brand. I do think that Disney is a relevant brand to analyze, mostly because it's one of the most well-known brands nowadays, not only among children but adults as well. That is why I have choose to describe Disney, because first of all, I can refer to one of the using gratification themes, that is pastime, meaning that you can go through the internet and then just look through the videos and many events that I post. You can refer even to the Disneyland that I have friends in the States, and they do have events all over the world, not only those countries. Also, entertainment, of course, because Disney posts a lot of videos nowadays about trailers, and you can go and easily just have fun with them. And relaxation as well, because when going through the Facebook page, you can see that you can do a lot of quizzes such as that, and that refer not only to little children but to you as well. Something that you could relate to, because every adult has these children inside. So that is why many people could just go through their Facebook page, read, look, attend events that Disney holds annually everywhere in the whole world. And yes, you can just go through different quotes and read about what it interests you. Thank you for the attention. I hope you enjoyed my video.